up, guys? It's your girl, Hey Chocolate Drop, and I'm here with another video. These inches, baby. These inches. Woo! Hey. So before I go, let's talk about this hair. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys subscribe. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm gonna sip since y'all just click. These inches, baby. These inches. Woo! Hey. So before I go, let's talk about this hair. You know what I'm saying? So make sure you guys subscribe. I'm waiting. Okay, I'm gonna sip since y'all just click. I'm done. Make sure you like. Make sure you comment. All right. Yo, I be thirsty as hell, y'all. So this wig look like bundles, like sis. Like what? Let me do a little Instagram post, like angle. So this wig is from, where's wig from? I forgot, y'all. Damn, where's this from again? Sans Beauty. This is from Sans Beauty. So it is a U-shaped lace wig, X large, 4x4 lace part. So it looks like this, 40-inch, like coming through. So I got a number 2. Like I always get number 2. Before I used to get like a number 1, like 1B or just 1. Looks jack black, but this is good. So I have 2 cones in. Yeah, I have 2 cones here. Like, don't use them because I need my edges, sis. I need my edges. And it had like the strap, and it had like the cone in the back that I don't use. You know what? I don't use them. And what else? It came with a lace that I cut, duh. And I really didn't have to pluck it, y'all. I just had to put my powder and the concealer, but it looks snatched. Y'all know these wigs, man, they becoming bulky, and I don't like that. So, I had to get my hot cone, get it snatched, get it flat. Hey, yo, I'm so excited for this wig, y'all. Yeah, you have no idea. Like, look at this. It's like it touched right to my thighs. So I'm 5'7", maybe 5'8". In the back, it touched. Wait, right to my what? Butt crack? No, it passed it, but yes. Woo. So this was $60. Y'all cannot beat that. $60. $60, PT, $60. Like I said, $60 for 40-inch. 40-inch. Yo, if I was gonna get a real hair, that thing would be like 300, 500. I don't got that type of money, y'all. Guys, so it's mixed with, it's synthetic hair. So it's mixed with human hair. Y'all. It do shed, like all synthetic hair shed. Do it tingle? It tingle a little bit, not a lot. And yes, you can flat iron it, like I be doing. Like I be, making it silky, you know what I'm saying? So guys, this hair, y'all, it's not an everyday look. You know what I'm saying? It's like for a birthday. Like I got this for my birthday. Or if you're gonna go to a club, if you know a bitch you don't like, she coming through. What bitch? Bitch, I can't hear, my hair's too long. What bitch? Period. Or if your ex about to be there, come through. But come through, sis. Come through. Hey. But that's all I gotta say for this hair, y'all. Like, super long. What? For my $60, I'm gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this. What? So that's all I gotta say for this hair. Y'all should get it. What? Y'all should get it. Like if your birthday's coming up, sis, get this hair. Rapunzel, bitch. Rapunzel. What? Rapunzel. 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 Like what? Long hair don't care. Long hair don't care. So guys, thank you for watching. Okay, subscribe to my channel, like, comment, you know what I'm saying.